What's up, guys? Today we are going to the Meadow Hot Springs down in Utah. It's about a couple-hour drive for us, so we are on our way. But I just got my new metal detector that I'm pretty excited to check out and give a shot. Yeah, let me know what you think.
Where are you guys from?
That's true.
I found a ring though. A bobby pin, I think 2 quarters.
Ooh, 2 quarters?
Yeah.
If the ring looks expensive, that's mine.
Oh yeah. It is a male ring.
Ball cap.
Very bunker to be like, no, the only option is to completely
Alright, so we dove in 2 of the 3 hot springs. It was pretty cool. It got pretty murky while we were down there though, so we're driving out of here. Pretty bumpy road. Did you have fun? So yeah, overall pretty good. I found a bunch of coins in the second one. Got to see some fish in there. And some bottle caps. I found a ring in the big main one. But yeah. Alright, well, for my first day out metal detecting, I thought this was a pretty good find. Just wanted to go over it with you guys. In the second hot spring, the GoPro died. So I found some of this stuff off camera, but found a lot of different glow sticks. A lot of people take those in, I guess. I thought this was funny. This is a bottle rocket people must be shooting out there. If you have any idea what this is, let me know. It looks like it's a keychain and it's super corroded. At first I thought it was a magnet, but I don't know. It might be like the end of a rope is what I was thinking. Found 2 bottle caps, one a lot older than the other, and some coins. Didn't look like anything too crazy. Some garbage, the top of a necklace or bracelet, I'm not sure. Bobby pin, and then this was interesting stuff. I don't know what this is, but it just might be some type of metal. This looks like it was liquefied at some point in time. I don't know, maybe it's like a bullet. I see that and it makes me think that it's like the back of a bullet that exploded when it was shot. The top of a nail, this, I don't know. The only thing that comes to mind is like a slug of a bullet, but who knows. I found this, it looks like a short 22 shell, people shooting out there. And then my favorite find is this ring, and it looks like it's pretty corroded. I don't see any markings on it or anything. It looks like this is where they sealed it together. I don't know if this was just like a high school shop project or if this is a fancy metal. I'm gonna go ask one of my buddies, but pretty cool find overall. I'm excited to keep doing these, so if you like this, go ahead and like the video and leave me a comment. Thanks, guys.